Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the language in the Shein app. So, let's get started. Open the Shein app on your smart device and make sure you're signed into your account. By opening the Shein application on the homepage in the lower right corner of the screen, look for the profile that says ME and then click on it. Then, on the next page, in the upper right corner of the screen, look for the setting option and click on it. By clicking on the setting option, a new page will open where you can go down to the language option in the drop-down menu and click on it. The application will open a list of languages, but since our location is set to the USA, we are offered only 2 languages in the language used on your device. We will currently choose from the 2 languages offered, Espanol, and click on it. A small note, if your location is set to another country, it is likely that you will be offered more languages, and that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the language in the Shein app to suit your needs. Whether you're shopping in another country or simply prefer to use the app in a different language, it's a quick and easy process. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.